welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today we have another free product that a vendor sent me, and this is a paid review, and this is a Jump Start battery. These are becoming so popular and so cool, and it's because they're so lightweight. You can shove onto your seat of your car or under the back seat. And this one is by BIZEWO, B-I-Z-E-W-O. And look at the cool case it comes in. I mean, all-weather case. Shove that under your driver's seat or your passenger seat of your car. You charge it once every couple of months, and you always have something that you can jumpstart your car with. Or your daughter always has something they can jumpstart their car with, or your wife, or your loved ones of any kind. Great, great, great stocking stuffer coming up for the holidays. Great stocking stuffer. Everybody in the world that owns an automobile should have one of these. So they don't have to call that wrecker out in the middle of 3 o'clock at night when they need a jumpstart. They can just have one of these. Save your loved ones some money, save yourself some money. Buy one of these. Buy one of these. So listen. Open this up. So immediately what you got here, first off, is you do have your little jumper cables right there and a charging cable. And you do have to charge this every month or so, or check the charging level. It doesn't go dead on you, but it loses its charge the longer you don't charge it. So after about 30 days, it might be at 95% charge. After 60 days, it might be at 90 or 85% charge. Still big enough to charge or start a battery, but depending on the size of your vehicle. So you want to keep it charged every month or two. Bring it into the vehicle. Great instructions, already read them, and in fact I've already charged this battery to 100%. But this thing has some cool features. It has a light. So it has a light, so you can do that. It's a distress light. So I mean, you can have that outside on your car if you are in distress. You can just put that up on your car for the police to see if you were in distress of any kind, or your daughter or your wife. Think about that. Think about those things. It tells you the charge level right here. Fully charged. It'll always tell you your charge level. Has a complete set of instructions on what to do right here. And now we're going to take this out, and I'm just going to show you how to hook it up to the car. Bring this out to the car. Let's pretend it's a dark and stormy night and you can't see anything. So the first thing I'm going to do is turn on my light so that I can see my battery, because you want to make sure you hook it up right. So then you take it over here and you plug it into the correct. There's a flat-sided one, and you just plug it into the flat-sided one like that. Then you always put your red on your red and your black on your black, and it will give you a green light if you're hooked up right. If you're hooked up wrong, it will be red. I can actually show you that. See how it started flashing? See how it started flashing? And it's beeping? It's telling you you're hooked up wrong. Solid green. Means we're hooked up right. So, car, next thing you do is you take your red lead off, take your black lead off, and you return safely home when it's 30 below outside. And you don't get that call from your daughter or your wife. They come home on their own. Go out and get yourself one of these babies right away.